Hey, it's Raw, and today we're having spaghetti. Spaghetti sauce, homemade, from scratch. You're gonna enjoy it. Let me get a little taste. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Get a little taste. Mmm. Yep. Thank you. Hey, this is Raw. That is the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, first thing you want to do, add some olive oil to your pot. And we're gonna brown the ground beef. You know? Get it really nice. Use our wooden spoon to break it up. Okay, while that's browning, let's go over our other ingredients. All right, tomatoes, onion, some onion, minced garlic, green bell peppers, granulated onion, granulated garlic, black pepper, basil leaves, parsley flakes, see the parsley flakes, and some oregano. And you can add a little salt to taste. And also we're going to be adding some beef broth instead of water. Okay, a little bit of beef broth. There we go. And we're also going to add about 3 bay leaves to help the flavor out. A couple teaspoons of sugar. Tomato paste. You got to have tomato paste. After the meat has been done and drained, let's start working on the vegetables. Okay, add our oil, our olive oil. Now we're going to add the onions. Let these sweat for a minute or two. Alright, now let's add our bell pepper. This is 1 large bell pepper diced up. That onion was half of a large onion. It's mixed in. Get these sweated out. Alright, now we're going to add about 2 good heaping teaspoons of garlic that mixed in there. And be careful and don't burn your garlic. Now let's add the tomato paste. Now you just want to add the tomato paste and fry it a little bit. Not much. The other one. Okay, now to this we're going to add our tomatoes. Let's get those added in. Mix those up. And now looking at the amount of stuff I have here, I'm going to add about probably about 4 cups of chicken broth. Oh, not chicken broth, I'm sorry. Beef broth. Let's get this mixed in. And then we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add about a tablespoon of oregano. About a tablespoon of granulated garlic. tablespoon granulated onion. That in there. About 2 tablespoons of basil. I just love the way basil tastes. About a tablespoon of parsley. About a teaspoon and a half of pepper. Okay. Then we add our sugar. It's like 2 tablespoons of sugar. And don't worry, it's not going to make it sweet. And then our 3 bay leaves. Let's get these mixed up. Now after this is cooked for a bit, then you'll taste it to see if you need salt or how much salt you think you need. All right, now let's add our ground beef back to this so it can all simmer together. All right. Okay. Let's get that mixed in. Now we're going to turn it down to low and let this simmer for at least an hour and a half. It's looking good. It's looking real good. It's been about an hour and a half, but it still hasn't reduced enough for me. And the cool part about it is, the longer you stew it, the better it's going to get. So let's keep it moving. It's been over 2 hours of simmering here. I think this is done. Well, it's done enough. You know, the peanut gallery is getting hungry, so let's give this a little stir. Look at that. All right, that's good. I got garlic bread on standby. Got the pasta on standby. Let's plate up. There we go. It's all good to go. Well, this is for the peanut gallery, so I'm not putting any Parmesan cheese on the top or anything like that. But this is it. Let's get a zoom in. There we go. Let me rotate this a bit. Oh yeah, that is good. You gotta try this recipe out. Just cook it to taste. You know, I know you're gonna enjoy it. This is Straw and I'm out.